Good morning to you all. I am just wanted to send you a quick video about a couple things. First thing I wanted you to know is that there's been a change in how attendance is taken. For example, for every day that you complete the assignment for your class or attend the class meeting, you'll be counted present. So out of all of the students that I have in my study skills classes, only 7 people yesterday completed an assignment. So really need to work on that. Those of you that didn't will be counted absent. So please really make an effort to get your work done, not just in my class, but all of your other classes. Also wanted to kind of work through the Nearpod that I have scheduled for you guys today. Well, first there's a do now, which is a question that I'm asking you guys. If you ever played Two Truths and a Lie, you share 2 things with the group that are true and 1 thing that is false. So I'm asking that you go ahead and click reply and put in your answers. I've already put some in there. And then if enough of you respond, I'll type them up, maybe in a Google form or something, and we can try to see who can guess who was correct, who was telling the truth, and who was lying. Just a little something fun and different to do. When you finish with that, you're going to go back to modules, and then we have our growth mindset Nearpod. So we're going to click on that. And then, so today, this other Nearpod for you, just to kind of think about setting goals and just understanding really what the growth mindset is. So I want to make sure you understand how this works. So you will go and you will enter your name, and then you will move on between the slides. So here, you would type in a goal that you have for yourself. All right, in this little box right here. And then kind of talk about, here's a poll. And so this asks a question. So the question is up here. And then you choose the one that you agree with. Click submit. And then go on to the next slide. Here's another poll. Same kind of thing. Answer the question. Click submit. Move on to the next slide. So there's a video for you to watch. There's actually a couple of videos for you to watch. And then here's a video that you need to watch. Talk about fixed versus growth mindset. And here you're given, look at number 1 for example. Is this a growth mindset or a fixed mindset? Avoids challenges, fears failure, stays within comfort level, and familiar with content. Well, I think we're going to use our highlighter. So you're going to click on this little button, and I think I'm going to do red. And so I think this is a fixed mindset. So you're just going to go and highlight fixed. And you're going to do that with every single one of them. When you're finished, click submit. All right, so here's just a little bit more information for you. Talking about some vocabulary. So how do you think the girl at the end of the video felt that way? So here's the video. You're going to watch this, and then you're going to answer your question and enter it in this box. Click submit and move on. All right, another slide. Read through that. Open-ended question. Describe a time in your life when you're able to accomplish something that's very difficult. How did you succeed? Go ahead and answer it right in there. Click submit. Move on to the next slide. So take a little quiz. just to see what you remember. So you answer the questions and select the one that fits the most. Click Next to go to the next question. There's 5 questions total. And when you're finished, you're going to go through. I just clicked Submit anyway, but you need to go through. You need answers. It'll tell you how you did. Little reflection question. Go ahead and type your answer in there. So the next slide is just an article on intelligence and how we make the brain grow stronger. It's kind of interesting. Read through that. And then that's it. All right. So once again, like I said, please go in and complete your assignments that you need to do. I just have the Do Now and the Nearpod. Tomorrow, I'm going to try to set up class like we'll be doing next week when we're here in person. I'm going to focus more on some of the Math 180 things, that we'll be doing in class. And I'm pretty excited that you're all going to be back in school next week, even though one group on Monday and Tuesday, another group on Thursday and Friday, but it'll be good to be somewhat normal. Hope things are going well. Talk to you soon.